Have you ever wondered about the intricate connection between cutting-edge technology and the very essence of human health? Beyond the headlines of medical breakthroughs, there lies a colossal industry, quietly yet profoundly shaping our lives. This is the world of medical technology, or MedTech, a sector now valued at over $1 trillion globally. In this comprehensive analysis, we will dissect how this vital industry operates, identify its key players, unravel its economic drivers, and explore its transformative implications for the future of healthcare. Prepare for an insightful journey into one of the most dynamic and impactful sectors of our global economy. MedTech encompasses an incredibly broad spectrum of products and services designed to diagnose, monitor, treat, or prevent medical conditions. It represents the critical intersection where advanced engineering, scientific discovery, and clinical practice converge. From life-saving surgical instruments to sophisticated diagnostic imaging systems, MedTech innovations are fundamental to modern medicine. This vast category includes everything from complex MRI machines and advanced robotic surgery systems to more accessible wearable health devices. It also extends to innovative biotech solutions, such as advanced prosthetics, implantable devices, and even digital health platforms. Essentially, if it's a technological tool used to improve health outcomes, it falls under the MedTech umbrella. This dynamic field is constantly evolving, driven by relentless innovation and an ever-increasing demand for better healthcare solutions worldwide. The global MedTech market is not just large, it's monumental, currently exceeding a staggering $1 trillion in valuation. This impressive figure underscores its economic significance and its pervasive influence across healthcare systems worldwide. Projections indicate that this market is poised for continued robust expansion in the coming years. Analysts forecast that the market could potentially double in size by 2035, driven by several powerful demographic and societal trends. A primary driver is the global aging population, which inherently requires more medical interventions and long-term care solutions. As people live longer, the prevalence of chronic diseases also increases, necessitating continuous monitoring and advanced treatment options. Furthermore, rising healthcare expenditures globally contribute significantly to MedTech's growth. Governments, insurers, and individuals are increasingly investing in technologies that promise improved efficiency, better patient outcomes, and reduced long-term costs. The relentless pace of technological advancement, including breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, miniaturization, and biotechnology, also fuels this expansion. Emerging markets, with their rapidly developing healthcare infrastructures and growing middle classes, represent another substantial growth frontier for MedTech companies. The MedTech landscape is characterized by a dual structure: a few colossal multinational corporations alongside a vibrant ecosystem of thousands of innovative startups. This dynamic interplay shapes competition, drives innovation, and dictates market trends. Understanding these players is key to grasping the industry's competitive dynamics. Giant companies like Johnson & Johnson, Medtronic, Siemens Healthineers, and GE Healthcare are the undisputed titans of this industry. These conglomerates boast extensive product portfolios, vast global distribution networks, and substantial research and development budgets. Their strategies often involve strategic acquisitions, consolidating market share, and leveraging their established relationships with hospitals and healthcare providers. They invest heavily in developing next-generation technologies, often setting industry standards. Simultaneously, the MedTech sector is a hotbed for entrepreneurial activity. Thousands of startups are entering the field, attracting billions in venture capital funding. These agile newcomers often focus on niche markets, disruptive technologies, or unmet clinical needs. They challenge the status quo with innovative solutions, from AI-powered diagnostics to personalized digital therapeutics. While many are eventually acquired by larger players, their collective innovation is a vital engine for the industry's progress, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in healthcare. The MedTech industry consistently demonstrates remarkable profitability, a characteristic rooted in the fundamental nature of healthcare itself. Healthcare is not merely a service, it is an essential human need, making demand for effective medical solutions inherently inelastic. This foundational demand creates a robust market for innovative technologies that enhance patient care. MedTech innovations offer compelling value propositions to various stakeholders. For hospitals and healthcare systems, these technologies can significantly improve operational efficiency, reduce procedural times, and enhance diagnostic accuracy. For patients, they often lead to better treatment outcomes, reduced recovery times, and an improved quality of life. These tangible benefits translate into a willingness to pay substantial sums for advanced medical devices and solutions. Furthermore, the industry benefits from significant barriers to entry, which help sustain high profit margins. The rigorous regulatory approval processes, such as those mandated by the FDA in the US or the CE mark in Europe, require extensive clinical trials and substantial investment. This creates a high hurdle for new entrants. Strong intellectual property protection through patents and trade secrets also safeguards innovations, allowing companies to recoup their significant R&D investments. The long sales cycles and high switching costs for hospitals, once a system is integrated, also contribute to sticky revenue streams and sustained profitability for established players. Despite its immense potential and profitability, the medtech industry is not without its significant risks and challenges. These hurdles impact accessibility, ethical considerations, and the very sustainability of healthcare systems. A critical examination of these issues is essential for a balanced understanding of the sector. One of the most pressing concerns is the high cost of advanced medtech. While these innovations offer superior outcomes, their prohibitive price tags often limit access for many patients and smaller healthcare facilities. This creates a disparity where cutting-edge technology is available primarily to those with robust insurance or in well-funded institutions, leaving millions behind. The ethical dilemma of prioritizing profit over equitable access is a constant shadow over the industry. Regulatory complexities also pose a substantial challenge. Navigating diverse and stringent approval processes across different countries can be time-consuming and incredibly expensive. This can delay market entry for life-saving innovations and stifle smaller companies. Moreover, the industry faces increasing scrutiny regarding data privacy and cybersecurity, especially with the rise of connected devices and digital health platforms. Supply chain vulnerabilities, global competition, and the constant pressure to innovate while managing costs further complicate the operational landscape for medtech companies. The future of medtech promises a revolution in healthcare, driven by exponential advancements in several key technological domains. Artificial intelligence, robotics, and genomics are not just buzzwords. They are the foundational pillars upon which the next generation of medical technology will be built. These innovations hold the potential to redefine diagnosis, treatment, and preventive care. Artificial intelligence is set to transform diagnostics, enabling faster and more accurate interpretations of medical images and patient data. AI-powered algorithms can identify patterns imperceptible to the human eye, leading to earlier disease detection and personalized treatment plans. Robotics will continue to enhance surgical precision, minimize invasiveness, and improve patient recovery times. Beyond the operating room, robots are increasingly being deployed for patient assistance and rehabilitation. Genomics and personalized medicine represent another frontier. Advances in gene sequencing and editing technologies are paving the way for treatments tailored to an individual's unique genetic makeup, promising more effective therapies for complex diseases. Digital therapeutics, telehealth platforms, and wearable sensors will empower patients to manage their health proactively, shifting the paradigm from reactive treatment to proactive prevention. The real question, as these technologies mature, is how their benefits will be distributed. Will these incredible advancements truly serve all patients, or will they primarily enrich the corporations that develop them, exacerbating existing healthcare inequalities? This remains a critical ethical and societal challenge for the industry to address. The medtech industry stands as a testament to human ingenuity, a powerful force driving medical progress and economic growth. It is a sector of immense complexity, balancing groundbreaking innovation with significant ethical and accessibility challenges. We've explored its colossal market size, the titans and innovators that shape it, the drivers of its profitability, and the critical hurdles it must overcome. The future, brimming with AI, robotics, and genomics, promises a healthcare landscape unlike anything we've seen before. As we look ahead, it is imperative that all stakeholders, from policymakers and investors to healthcare professionals and the general public, engage in thoughtful dialogue. How can we ensure that the incredible advancements in MedTech benefit everyone, not just a privileged few? How do we balance innovation with affordability and profit with equitable access? Your insights are crucial. We invite you to join this vital conversation. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you believe MedTech is primarily making healthcare better or simply more expensive? What ethical considerations do you find most pressing? Your perspective helps shape the future of this critical industry. If you found this analysis insightful and wish to deepen your understanding of the intricate world where healthcare, business, and technology converge, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell to stay informed with our latest in-depth explorations. Let's collectively work towards a future where medical technology truly serves humanity.